Creating an alignment using alignment layout tools. Created by Ahmed Udemy. Welcome to this lesson. In Civil 3D, alignments are the foundation of the road design. An alignment represents the road center line, defined by the tangents, points of intersection, and curves. During alignment creation, you can let Civil 3D automatically add curves, or you can insert them later. For high-speed roads, spirals and super elevation can be applied. And if your project requires design standards, Civil 3D allows you to apply design criteria either before or after the alignment is created. Starting the alignment creation. To begin, click in Home and create design group. Choose Alignments, then Alignment Creation Tools. This opens the Create Alignment Layout dialog box. Defining alignment properties in dialog box. Here, you will define the main properties of your alignment. Enter a unique name for the alignment such as main road. Then choose the alignment type, for example, center line. Optionally, add a description. Enter starting station 0. Then, in General tab, you can specify the site to associate with the alignment or leave as none, and the alignment style to control display proposed, and the alignment layer where the alignment will be placed at layer C road, and the alignment label set to manage labeling. And you can apply design criteria from here. You can set a starting design speed. This speed is applied to the full alignment but can later modified at a specific station. For example, starting speed for local area, assume 50 km per hour. Then in criteria-based design, if you want to enforce design standards, select Use Criteria-Based Design and use Design Criteria file to link your alignment with the standard files from here. Depending on the alignment type, Civil 3D automatically looks for default criteria files in the Program Data folder. You can also select here and here property minimum radius type from ASHTO 2011, ASHTO 2011, transition length table to lane from here or for lane. You can also select a design check set which applies validation checks against standards, then click OK. Drawing the alignment. Now, the Alignment Layout Tools toolbar is displayed. Using these tools, you can begin drawing your alignment. Several icons appear on the toolbar to help us navigate. We will explain each icon in detail, providing examples for each one. The name of the current selected alignment is displayed at the top of the toolbar as main road, and when you click an icon, for example this icon, tangent, the current command is displayed at the bottom of the toolbar. We also see at the bottom of the panel on the right the mathematical method used to draw the spiral. The software uses several different methods and equations for drawing spirals, and the most common method is the cloth method. We will explain this in more detail later. For example, we build a road on this surface and we will design the road layout using the city plan showing here in blue lines as shown. Let's start by learning about these tools in detail. First, tangent, tangent, no curve. This icon. The first tool is tangent, tangent without curves. This command creates straight lines between selected points. For example, we can quickly draw a simple road center line between two intersections. Just click 2 point and Civil 3D generates a straight tangent line like this. Click here and here for next point. Use this command to create quick layout of an alignment, specify tangent points of intersections, PI, optionally add curves later. Then click another one here, next point, then enter. The created road appears in front of us at a sharp angle without the program creating a curve at the intersection point. So we need to create a curve at this point later or use the following command. And we noticed that when the road was built and completed, the road was given a green color and red label was added to it, where the stations appear before us every 20 meters and the intersection points are specified on the site, as shown. Tangent, tangent with curves. The second tools works in a similar way but automatically adds curves at the point of intersections. Click in Alignment Layout Tools, then choose Tangent, Tangent with Curves. This is command a continuation of the creation and drawing of the previous road where the first point is the end of the road that was drawn previously and we are working within the main road. First road, click here. We notice the appearance of a curve when moving the cursor as shown, which is the addition of a curve at the intersection point. Now, select specify next point, click here, for example, and here, and here. Then click here to create a curve and next line. Then enter. Note the appearance of a number of exclamation marks and warnings at each intersection and curves. This is to warn us that there are problems in the design and violation of the previously chosen specifications. You will learn later how to solve these problems. Thank you for watching. See you in next lesson.